Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Janice and today I'm actually back here in my backyard and I will be making this video outside. It's a beautiful day, it's really sunny, the birds are chirping and it's a great day to make a video outside. So today I will be talking to you guys about pine cones. A couple of days ago, my daughter and I, we usually go out to exercise in the evening. And then we also picked up these really beautiful pine cones on our walk. So then today I will be showing you on how to make these pine cones more like a frosty looking, and I will be using glue. So I'm really excited today to show you how to make these. They're really simple, and at the end you will see that they came out really nice. So stick around and I will show you how to make them. To make these pine cones, first of all, there's a couple of materials that you will need. First of all, you need a bottle of glue, which actually you're going to use about half a glue, and I'll show you in a minute how to mix it all in. The other thing you will also need is a brush, a paintbrush. You will also need a little tray because you will be putting the paint and the glue all into this little container, and then you'll mix it all up. You will also need some glitter if you want to add some glitter to your pine cones to make it look more sparkly. That's all up to you. You can use any color you like. And of course you will need the pine cones. And so today I have several pine cones. I have a medium-sized one, I have a smaller pine cone, and then the last thing would be you will need a can of paint. Now I'll be using white paint today because I will be making these pine cones into like a frosty look, so they'll be all white. So basically this is a really simple project, and I will show you in a minute on how to mix everything up. Okay, the first step is you're going to pour some paint into this container. And you just need a little bit of paint, you don't need a lot. It all depends on how many pine cones you are going to make. And after you have the paint in there, then you will be pouring some glue into the paint. And the purpose of this is so if you decide to put some glitter onto your pine cones, and then it will stick better that way. But once you have both things in your container, you want to mix it in really well. Make sure the glue and the paint is all mixed in. And you know the best thing about this, when you use paint and you paint your pine cones, and this will last a long time. The only thing that you might have to do some touch-ups is the glitter, because the glitter usually sometimes it starts to come off within time. But if you paint this, the paint will actually absorb it. But if you want to make it really glittery, you have to do a little touch-ups here and there after. Okay, so now you have the mixture all in there. So now I'm just going to start painting my pine cone. And it's best to use a medium-sized brush because that way you can get up into the grooves. If you want to use a smaller brush, you could. But I think this brush will do the work, because actually it's going in between the grooves in every single stem here of the pine cone. And at the end, if you see like there's some little openings that you kind of missed, You can just give it a little touch up after. And this is so much fun. I just love to paint. And I know kids love to paint as well. They like to get their hands dirty and all that. They would love to do this kind of project. I just love Christmas. At Christmas time you can do so many things, so many arts and crafts. And after you do all your arts and crafts, decorate your house, then you'll say, wow, this looks so nice. Have your Christmas tree up. I already have my Christmas tree up, and I'm basically ready for Christmas. So I'm just doing the last minute things just to finish it up. And you can put these pine cones after they dry up. You can put them on your fireplace. That's usually where I like to put mine on. And they look really pretty. Okay, so now I have this one pretty much all filled in with the white. And then with the glitter, I just pour some glitter on top of the paint with the glue, and I just sprinkle it onto it. And this is a really messy job. I recommend, if you guys are going to do this, make sure you do it on a place where you don't care if it gets dirty. But the best place to do this is outside, because this glitter sticks to everything. So it's really important that you do it somewhere where it's safe, where you don't destroy any of your furniture or your table. So see here, I'm mixing two colors. I'm mixing the silver with the gold colors. And then after, just let it sit there for a little bit. Once it dries up, you can just shake off a little bit of the glitter and to the newspaper, and then it should look fine. So now I'm going to start doing the little one just to show you how it looks. And then I'll be using one color, so that way you see that you can use either one color of glitter or two. You can mix them up. It's all up to you. So I will be back, and then I'll show you how the second one turned out. Okay, now I'm going to work on this little pine cone, and I will just start painting my pine cone. And make sure that you do add the glue to the paint, because otherwise when you add the glitter, it will not stick at all. And also one more thing, when I went to go and pick up these pine cones, I let them sit in the garage for a couple of days. The reason is because sometimes these pine cones, they have bugs in them because they're just out in the open. So I waited about 3 days, and then I noticed there weren't any bugs or anything. And then I washed them in the backyard here with the water hose to get rid of all the dust and all the little insects if there were any. And then after that, basically you can just start working with your pine cones, and that's exactly what I did. So okay, so here I am almost done painting this pine cone. And then we just lay it onto the newspaper here, and then I will start using some glitter. I know it's kind of messy, so make sure that after you paint your pine cones that you wash your hands good, because paint gets all over you. That's why it's important to have some newspapers down. Okay, so now I am going to sprinkle some of this red glitter onto the pine cone. And there it is. And you can just take off the excessive glitter after. You just shake it off. And there is the pine cone. Isn't that beautiful? So I made a red glitter pine cone. I also made a silver and gold pine cone, and this is how it's supposed to look. So there is the one pine cone, and then here is the other one. So now you just basically let them sit here for a little bit until they dry, and then you can put them anywhere around the house and they'll look really pretty. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video today. It was a pleasure to see you guys again. And if you are interested in my crocheting, in arts and crafts and cooking, I will be posting some more videos. So if you like my idea here with the pine cones, give it a like, subscribe, and I will see you next time for more videos. And leave me a comment in the section below and let me know what you think. I'll see you guys. Bye.